unemployed or underemployed, America needs truck drivers now. Take advantage today by enrolling in Tarnation Bob's Truck Academy.
Truck Academy.
Learn to drive a big rig and you'll be on the road to a life of adventure, romance, sausage gravy, and truck stop showers. Casual dress code, but absolutely no dungarees. What the? Is this your first time delivering to our grocery store? Alright, we don't allow just anybody to back up to our loading dock. I'm going to have to see your trucking license and the manifest. Alright, back that thing up. Nice and easy. A little bit to the left. Oh no, no! Oh no, oh! You just struck the building. You just killed every man in that warehouse. What are you gonna tell the families? The whole building is shifting. The whole store is gonna collapse. Look, you were wearing dungarees.
You were wearing dungarees.
Stop. Halt. Come back here.
Come back here. Stop. Halt. Come back here. Come back here.
Stop. You were wearing dungarees. You were wearing dungarees. You were wearing dungarees.
You were wearing dungarees.